Now, this is how you can hide who is texting you on your iPhone. So if you get a message and you don't want to like make that visible right away, here's how you can do that. So you open up the settings on your iPhone, and as you are on the main page, just find the notifications section. It is marked by this like red icon with a bell on it. So tap on this to get inside, and in here, scroll through the list of all of your available apps. Like there is going to be literally every app available, but you need to find messages. So when you click on messages, you probably don't want to like disable notifications. You probably want to keep them allowed, but you probably are interested in is the previews. So whenever you get a notification, you're using your iPhone normally and it just slides from the top of the screen, there's going to be like a message and the content is going to be visible. To prevent that, here in the show previews, make sure to set it to never. So when you choose it never, you will see that you did in fact receive a message, but you will not see the content or the first sentence of that message, which is a great way to hide who is texting you on the iPhone. Besides that, you also have the option when unlocked, that is to prevent this content from being visible on the lock screen, which would be even like going deeper into your privacy. So at least keep that, but you can also choose it to be a never if you wish so. Besides that, what's also useful in this sense is to disable the banners. Perhaps, I don't know, you're using the phone with someone else and you just don't want to see the banner sliding from the top of the screen. So we can disable this as well. But yeah, up to you to decide. And also, you should know that this doesn't only apply to messages. So if you use other texting like services, for example, WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, the thing is going to be exactly the same. So you have the very same settings, so customize it according to your needs. Now, that is going to be about it from me. I honestly hope that I could help you out with this. And if you found this video helpful or informative, go ahead and let me know, or at least hit the thumbs up. I'm going to consider it to be that way if you do so. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future video.